A bug-out bag works as an emergency kit filled with survival gear and other essential items to help you through a sudden and dangerous event. Therefore, a stocked bug-out bag serves as a survival kit to support your weather challenges in case of an emergency. They're designed to be small enough and lightweight enough to be carried by one person or in a backpack. So here we made the list of the top 5 best survival gears for bug-out bag that you must need. The 5.11 Tactical All-Hazards Prime Backpack has been created to be the ideal field bag for all of your necessary gear and belongings. It has a stylish design that is comfortable for all-day wear. This backpack from experts at 5.11 Tactical has a padded tablet or laptop sleeve that will keep your important electronics safe from damage. This bag is equally equipped for international travel, outdoor adventures, and basic daily commuting. The compression straps in the 5.11 bag permit you to comfortably wear your bag as long as you need to without fatigue. On the outside, you'll discover contemporary features such as dual water bottle pockets and a Sheath pocket. With 32 liters of space, there's plenty of room for your belongings. Plus, this includes tuckable logos, a TSA-friendly laptop compartment, and a front pocket with removable ID panels and slip pockets to tone down your profile. Overall, for an outstanding way to make sure you have all of the equipment you require, you can select this 5.11 Tactical All-Hazards Prime Carrying Bag. The SOG Pentagon is an interesting little knife and a full-out tactical knife. Its relatively lightweight and slim design creates it a discreet carry or backup carry option. This S14N has a 5-inch blade, an overall length of 9.75 inches and a weight of 5.6 ounces. For its size, this is a lightweight knife and it fills a tactical or emergency tactical role well. This knife's double-edged blade is designed with versatility in mind. It features one straight edge and one serrated edge for advanced tactical and outdoor utility. This outdoor knife is made in satin-polished AUS-8 stainless steel for amazing edge retention and corrosion resistance. This is a full-tang knife with a Kraton handle, and Kraton is a popular polymer used with a lot of fixed-blade knives. This feels soft, but it is very resistant to wear. It includes a nylon sheath with a hard-molded inner that will protect you and the blade. However, this is an all-out tactical knife constructed as a backup for military personnel and law enforcement. Also, this knife is now popular with outdoor knife enthusiasts as well. The Fenix TK16 V2 tactical flashlight has a military-grade aluminum body that makes it immune to outdoor conditions and harsh weather. This is compact enough to fit in any bag or backpack and arrives with an adjustable focus with 5 operating settings and modes: high, medium, low, turbo, and eco. This TK16 V2 has a smooth reflector, and the properly focused smooth reflector delivers you a more cohesive hotspot and therefore throws better. It has an air-coated lens, and this includes a USB-C rechargeable ARB L21 5000U. This flashlight's length is 5.63 inches and weighs 3.95 ounces. As a result, this is portable and comfortable to carry and operate. Also, this flashlight has a 3100 lumen max output and over 415 yards throw with a tungsten inlay bezel. Excellent duty light for patrol, EDC, and search and rescue. Moreover, the stainless steel bezel of this flashlight is inlaid with 3x tungsten impact tips. Plus, it is IP68 waterproof and impact resistant. Overall, the TK16 V2 tactical flashlight will be perfect for patrol, EDC, search and rescue, or emergencies in any environment. The best survival gear begins with a ferro rod. A ferro rod is the most basic element of making fire. Without it, you are drenched in darkness. For this reason, the Holtzmann Gorilla Survival Premium Ferro Rod Fire Starter can be considered a survival kit on its own. You'll love this product so much that you will want to buy some extras for your friends and family. This 3-in-1 fire starter set arrives with a ferro scraper that can double as a ruler or bottle opener. Also comes a military-grade paracord in a deluxe gift box. Also, this ferro rod will produce 5500 degrees Fahrenheit sparks that will perform at any altitude. Plus, the Holtzman promises a long life, as this survival fire starter ferro rod will last for approximately 12,000 strikes. Additionally, this will operate in rainy, stormy, snowy, foggy, or windy weather. Even you can easily carry this ferro rod around your neck underneath your shirt, where it will always stay safe and within reach. All in all, this portable created 6-inch emergency fire starter will be greatest for your bug-out bag. The Don't Die in the Woods emergency sleeping bag is an impressive option for a bug-out bag. This bivy has a camouflage and a forest green color option, which is a big advantage for bugging out while staying concealed. The survival bivy with hood extension is stuffed with nylon in the sack to offer full body protection against harsh weather conditions. This is thick, flexible, and reflects up to 90% more body heat. Also, this tear-resistant HeatFlex polyethylene sleeping bag has a ripstop nylon stuffed sack and a paracord drawstring. It features reinforced taped seams to deliver more durability and reusability. This sleeping bag arrives with an amazing balance of durability and weight at only 7 ounces. It is super lightweight and arrives with a carry bag with a drawstring for simple storage. Finally, this emergency sleeping bag will work awesome for camping trips or as part of an emergency pack for long hikes.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.